Morning, children. Welcome back to our online classes. Today we are going to learn the lesson chapter number 12, agriculture. Agriculture. Agriculture is a very important part of our life. The most of the people in India depends on the agriculture for their livelihood. Means many people, the people who are living in India, their most of the main part to earn the food is doing agriculture or farming. So it is said that the agriculture is the backbone of our economy. Means by the agriculture only or by the farming only our India is getting the income. It includes the growing crop, animal rearing, poultry farming, fish breeding, and beekeeping. These are the one of the part of the agriculture. Means what they do? They grow the crops. They keep the animals. Animals rearing means keeping the animals in the large number for the milk, meat, for other purpose also. Poultry farming. Poultry farming means the farming. Means like they keep hens or chickens for the fish, for eggs. This fish breeding means they they form a tank. There they keep the fishes, and that fishes they sell. That is fish breeding. And beekeeping. These are the one of the part of the agriculture. Many industries depend on the agriculture for the raw materials. Yes, many industries. We have many industries which are being built in the India or every places of the states and other places. From where they get the raw material? They get the raw material from the agriculture only. Like cotton mills. How the cotton mills? How they get the cotton? Means from cotton what we get? We get the clothes. So for cotton has to be brought from the agriculture only or from the farm only. The sugarcane, cotton, paper industries are depending on the agriculture only. On the other hand, many industries supplies the input to the agriculture industry such as fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides, tools and tractors. So here we saw that from the agriculture field we get give the raw material to the industries. But now from the industries we are getting the we are getting the supporting things to the agriculture, like fertilizers. Yes, to grow the crops in good manner, good quantity. There should not be any insects in the crops. For that purpose, what we do? We use fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides. These are brought from the industries. Then tools, the cutting tools for the crops, tractors, yes, for the sowing the seeds. All these things, what we need the tractors and other tools. So these are brought from the agriculture. So how it is? Agriculture is depending on the industries, and even the industries are dependent on the agriculture. So both the way they are interrelated. Agriculture proved the employment to a very large sector of the population. Means agriculture, by agriculture only many peoples are getting the income. Yes, we only one person cannot do the agriculture. So for cutting the crops we need many members. For putting the seeds we need many members. So how they are, by the agriculture many employment is being done. Many agriculture products like tea, sugar, oil seeds, spices have high demands in the foreign countries. Means the agriculture products like sugar, tea, oil seeds, spices, the demand of these seeds and products are being in high in the other countries also. They need more because these things are grown in India only. So, spices are grown in India. Yes, we are the first trader of the spices. The spices means like pepper, ginger, garlic. These are being grown in India. So, from here only we are sending to the other countries also. India earn huge amount of money by selling their excess agriculture product to the world. Yes, what we do? We sell whatever is necessary for us, that has been kept for us, and after what is the excess amount, that is being sold to the other countries, the countries which they need. So we get the good amount of money. Cropping season in India. Yes, how we have the seasons? We have the different seasons in India. Yes, we have three seasons like summer season, winter season, rainy season. Okay, we had the climate is being divided into three season in India. So as per the season only, there are the crops which are being grown in different time of periods. See here, the climate of India is divided into three main seasons: summer season, winter season, rainy or monsoon. Rainy is a raise in winter and summer, but abundant in monsoon. Though therefore, based on the amount of rainfall, crops are divided into three groups: Kharif, Rabi, and Zaid. Means the crops also are being divided into three groups. Means how the rain as per the season, means the amount of rainfall which is being coming to India or particular area, by that the crops are being divided. Kharif. Kharif crops are summer crops or monsoon crops. In India, they are usually sown with the beginning of the first rain in July and harvested at the end of the monsoon season. The importance of Kharif. Some important Kharif crops of rice, jute, cotton, groundnut, sugarcane and maize. Means this Kharif crop. Kharif crop is the first crop which is being putted. The seed is being putted in the, which is being grown, starting growing in the June and July. So when they in the month of July they start, because with the first rain, when the first rain start, from with that only these kharif crops are being started to growing. And these crops, when they harvest means when they cut, when the end of the monsoon season or the end of the rainy season. So these crops are rice, jute, cotton, groundnut, sugarcane and maize. These are the crops which are being grown in the Kharif season. Next is Rabi. Rabi crops are mainly in winter. In India, these are sown at the end of the rainy season, around October, and harvested in the beginning of the summer season. Means these crops are being grown in the harvesting means the harvesting time of these crops are October, and harvesting when these starts are being sown, that is in the October, they start growing this crop in the October season, and when they cut in the beginning of the summer season, that is in the March or April every year. Some important rabi crops are wheat, barley, mustard, grams. So these are the crops which are being grown in the rabi season. Zia